We need a treadmill that doesn't work right now. Jamie's the assembly master or something like that because she reads the instructions.
And you just season them up like chicken, and they're literally just like chicken.
All right. Morning, everybody. All right, today's task is to try and get this treadmill fixed. We got it apart. So this wire, I think it's this one here, runs all the way down the leg. I got like a part down there if you can see it through the spokes of the wheel. And I got a new one right there. We gotta see if that works because it shorts out. I don't know why it shorts out, but I'll be running and all of a sudden it'll just stop. And now I don't really run much at all anymore because it hurts. So I just need to see if we can figure it out so we can sell this dang thing.
Yeah.
We need a treadmill that doesn't work right now.
You gotta pick it up.
Yeah, you need a trailer because it's like hundreds and hundreds of pounds.
Here's my thought though.
What?
I think this cord, the new cord, is this cord that's inside there.
Yeah, I went on through the outside just to see if it would work.
But it's the same cord. We have it hooked to the same cord.
No, we don't. Oh, that's the wrong one. But this is the one I hooked to. That backwards. I just created a loop. Oh, screen's on.
Okay.
I didn't hear a beep. Normally I hear a beep. Ow. See if it turns on. Who's using Fit today? Me. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. It's not beeping like it normally does. I don't know what's going on. We're getting there. Now I just need the treadmill to start. Treadmill should be going. Yes. Sweet. So this is what I'm gonna do. I think tomorrow I'm gonna walk on it for a workout in the morning and see if it works. Give it a few days of me using it, either like maybe a warm-up run or just like a long hike kind of thing, and see what it does. And if it works flawlessly, then I'll be comfortable with selling it without being like it's gonna break. Don't buy, what is this brand? Nordic Track. For the money you spend on it, don't buy it. I could have bought a new treadmill every year for what we spent on this. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna turn it back off. We can reassemble. That took less time than I thought. I thought we were gonna be out here. This is gonna be like a whole day's video. I was gonna be doing that.
Well, if I wasn't out here, you would have been trying to figure out why it wouldn't work when you had it connected to the same exact
Yeah.
wire. It wasn't even hooked to the treadmill. See, kids, this is why he needs me.
I said that's why you're. I said to somebody just asked me. I was like, they're like, Jamie's the assembly master or something like that's because she reads the instructions.
Logan put something together. Why do we have 17 extra screws?
All right. So other than the wire running outside instead of through the leg thing, arm, leg, whatever. Yeah. And then we'll put the back on. This was way easier than I anticipated.
2 very boring minutes later.
You want me to drive or you drive?
I don't know. You want to drive? You want me to drive? You'll drive? Grab my stuff. Change of plans. We're going to the grocery store instead of ordering our groceries. The app's being dumb and saying everything's out of stock, which is smart. If Walmart's thing is like you sign up for the delivery, then they mark everything out of stock. Smart on Walmart. Because they don't have to do anything. They're just going to make a bunch of money. You said you're driving? All right. Man, you took off. She took off without me. But you went lighter than the couch.
Yeah.
You went lighter than that. Okay. I'm not good at this because I would just grab one and be like, yep, it does a thing.
Sets.
Okay. You could do 1, 2, 3, and then 4.
Yeah, I have one of each for the
Windows in the back of the house.
windows in the back of the house. And then I could get one set for the middle window and then break up the one for
Okay. So you need 4 sets. Okay. See if we can all the same? Okay. How many did you find? 1. All right. This might take a while.
Much later. 24 hours later.
All right. Morning, everybody. Didn't close out the video yesterday. Just kind of hung out. Went on our evening walk. Bike out of the garage and got the bike out of the garage and I'll be able to talk more. Oh, look at it, telling me I need to work out. Imagine that. Well, I did run today. I ran on the treadmill. Good run. A couple miles. Back's feeling it a little bit. But the main goal was like to make sure the treadmill itself was working, so. So yeah, ooh, what a nice chilly morning. This feels good. No, treadmill worked fine. I'm gonna go on a nice long walk on it later this week. Make sure it's still good, and then it's ready to be sold. So perfect. As the weather starts to turn, people will buy it because they don't want to run outside in the cold, I don't think. The highway I normally take to work is closed for maintenance. Babe, how the curtains? Look nice. Now Sadie won't bark through the gate over there. Hopefully she won't bark. We'll see. Do you need help getting those up there? How did you get those ones up there? No help at all, huh? You just did it? They look nice. They're subtle. They're not too much. Does that make sense? You know what you're doing, huh?
I'm used to doing things by myself, and I don't mean that in a bad way. Just, you're gone a lot, so I have to figure things out a lot, so.
Okay. You just climb up on the couch? You gonna put this on camera? I was just waiting for her to say no, but you didn't say not to say no, so, or not to do it, so. All right, we are getting new furniture. So if the couch decides to fall apart, it's okay.
Well,
we've got new ones coming.
I also put these all on backwards, so we gotta fix them.
You put what on backwards?
These curtains. This one's on my right, these three are on my right.
Oh, like the tags are in the front? Okay, pause for now. You had me help? See, look at that. I gotta help. She needed me.
I could have done it without you. I was trying to make you
Make me what?
feel involved in my curtain hanging.
I am involved. I picked out this color. She won't tell you that, but I did. I said, she's like, I want gray. I'm like, that's silver. Yeah.
But these are the ones that I had in the cart. You were like, I don't know if I like those. And when you saw them, you were like, I like those.
Oh,
Eh.
sure.
I won't climb on our new furniture, babe.
Yeah, no more furniture climbing. Furniture has to last 4 years and 20 days.
That's for you, Dave. Just in case you're
Yeah, just in case you're wondering what the dates are.
I like it.
Yep.
It's very
It's very what?
subtle. I like
Yeah,
it.
I don't like how they put those brackets like super high up.
They had really long curtains though.
Oh, they had like 100-some inch
They were
curtains.
on the floor.
Oh.
Theirs were.
You could see them in like the photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe at a later date we'll move those down.
Yeah, but
'Cause
at
they-
least they go to the bottom. At least they cover the bottom of
Yeah, they
the-
cover the window. That's cool.
I didn't want a light colored couch.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we still have spawns that live with us. So.
Yeah,
And messy husbands.
yeah.
Yeah.
You guys, you ever use soy curls? We cook with them often. They're basically little seitan strips, and you just season them up like chicken, and They're literally just like chicken or like pulled pork or whatever you want to make. So tonight is going to be
some sort of barbecue chicken with some roasted veggies and some corn. Should be good.
Yeah, I made corn on the cob, and I had a ton left, so I cut it off the cob and froze it.
All right, back to some editing. Let me know when you start cooking. I'll do some video out here.
Okay. Oh, funny story. We can tell everybody because I know they're gonna watch it. Natalie, Risa, and Goodies, one of their daughters,
Okay.
messaged me.
Risa and Goody are some of Jamie's friends.
Yes,
my
they
friends, used to work with them.
They used to be the owners of the shop that I worked at in Colorado, and they're my really good friends now. They're family. But anyways, their daughter messaged me, and she was like, Jamie, how are your enchiladas? You never told us how the enchiladas were and how they looked. She was like, that was genius, using cheese sticks. And I was like, they were really good. I personally would have liked pepper jack cheese, but it was very quick and very good.
It was efficient. I think it'd be good if you're making it for a bunch of people.
Yeah.
But I honestly didn't like the string cheese. It was springy instead of like ooey gooey cheese that should be inside of.
So like if
enchiladas.
if we did like the like Sargento makes pepper jack sticks or Colby jack sticks, it's just a stick of cheese. It's not like that string cheese material.
Yeah, or like a waxy.
I don't want to call it material, but
highly processed.
yeah. So that we could do it again. That use those, or we could buy a block of cheese and cut it in like the little. But I think
Bottom line, you want
pepper jack
cheese. We'll make a pan of each. How's that? We'll do some regular shredded cheddar and some of your pepper jack sticks.
But the thing, okay, so this is my defense on using the sticks or cheese cubes, or we can line cubes up. I don't care. Okay. But the shredded cheese, when you roll it up, it just kind of like falls out the ends. That's what I really liked about.
I guess what I mean is we get the fresh blocks of cheese like we like because they melt easy, and then you can cut them into strips or cubes or wedges, however you want to do it. But that would, in my opinion, taste more, have the right texture to me. It tasted fine, I guess, but the texture was off. Yeah. And I like red enchiladas more than I like green enchiladas.
I didn't mind the green, but
I didn't mind it either.
They weren't as saucy as my red ones are.
Yeah. Because it was like a salsa instead of like a
I would maybe do like a green enchilada sauce on the bottom, and then maybe do the verde roasted chilies or whatever on top. I don't know. But it was good, and she asked about it, and I just thought it was funny because I've shared a couple of videos with them, like the accident and your new Star Wars entrance and everything, and it was just cool to see that like they actually watch the videos. Yeah. Awesome. So
cool. That's
great. And my mom and her boyfriend watched the videos. Mm-hmm. And Maddie would be like, Mom, did you see Dad's video? And I'm like, yeah. I forgot. Because she was telling me about your back thing.
Oh, yeah.
She was like, yeah, Dad posted a video. And I'm like, I'm horrible at being part of this Going Grace thing.
You do all the cooking, though.
I do.
I did like one omelet thing or breakfast burrito. And then the next day I was like, yeah, it's the same thing every day. I didn't make a video of it.
You do all of like the front work and the end work with like compiling everything and editing, and I just kind of...
You're the entertainment, I'm the production? Is that what you're saying?
I wouldn't say I'm entertaining, but I mean, I do a lot of the things. I'm the string cheese of the enchilada, babe.
You're the string cheese.
We are the whole enchilada.
That is... Yep, that's a weird analogy, but it works, I guess.
I mean, do you want to do the peanut butter or the jelly?
I'm the peanut butter. We already discussed this. I'm the peanut butter because jelly sucks.
Because you're crunchy. Like nasty, crunchy.
Super crunch. So what are we making?
So right now I'm cutting up some Brussels sprouts.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do some asparagus.
Okay.
And I got the corn on the cob ready to pan fry.
Okay.
And then our soy curls are ready.
Oh, okay. They're ready. You just gotta season them.
I put a little bit of the Traeger's chicken rub on.
Cool.
And just need to turn them on and get them cooking.
Yummy.
Because they will take the longest.
And you're gonna bake these Brussels sprouts and asparagus?
Yes.
Sweet.
I'm gonna probably just do a little bit of salt and pepper on the asparagus, and then I'm gonna do some salt and pepper, maybe a little bit of garlic and red peppers on the
Sweet.
Brussels sprouts.
Like red pepper flakes?
Yes.
Okay.
Just
Cool.
like that spicy Brussels.
Sounds good.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I was waiting for you done to be recording saying guys.
All right, where we at? Kids chicken,
This is a kid's chicken.
our chicken, corn,
Yep.
the veggies are cooking.
Yep, we got
1 minute. Do we not have a light? Oh, there's a light.
dirty oven.
Well, loved oven.
Loved onion.
Used
Loved onion. Loved oven.
onion.
Yes.
Jamie, are you like dehydrated?
What?
I don't know. You're just making up words like the other day.
What did I make up the other day?
You couldn't say smashing pumpkins?
Smushing pancakes?
Yeah.
I like that better.
Maybe you're just hungry.
Could be. Brussels sprouts and asparagus.
She is a different person when this camera comes out. She doesn't normally say things like that. Or if she does, she doesn't do it with a weird accent, whatever that was. I think she has low blood sugar. She needs some dinner and a beer. She'll feel better.
Beer. I should have some Montuckies.
All right, there's my plate. It looks huge, but it's mostly vegetables. Yeah, you guys like Famous Dave's pickles? You ever heard of Famous Dave's pickles? They're super
Not-
good.
Gotta love Thailand Dave. Although his pickles did look really good.
Famous Dave's, yeah, brand.
Famous Dave's barbecue.
Barbecue. Anyway, they're hot and spicy pickles or whatever.
So good.
So good. I recommend trying them out. Anyway, probably gonna end the video. Jamie successfully cooked so long that it got dark out, so we're not gonna go on a walk now. I think she had a master plan to do that. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Just the afternoon, kind of,
Yeah.
because I rode to work. Maybe I'll put some work stuff in there, driving to work. So, time to eat dinner.
Bye.
Bye.